wena ucabanga ukuthi uzohlala la for 30 years or 20 years. I've seen a lot of artists come in and go. You understand it? That's the problem. And when they come in and go, gcine sewashisa amateki bayakhala lapha bathi "Hey, ayashisa amateki sekashanga iteki eliwani kanyewo." Understand? Because we come with this mindset yokuthi le engiyenzile uNeo didn't contribute. Kanti uNeo is the same person ongathenganga iteki othatha 2000 yakhe wayofaka ingoma yakho kuphi wayokukhuluma namabloga bagaya amabloga intonyana wayokuthengela iteki wakushiyela iskipa wakaceda wayobhadala usibonga nge-art cover wabhadala ubanibani 11 wabhadala uThube for music video for amakhamera ukuthi abhukwe wathenga ukudla. You understand? Then uMaspex uye onemoto Maspex uthatha ipetrol yakhe akuthatha kise kuma-interview then u-Ace uye okhuluma nama-radio ukuthi uthola ama-interview then ubani ukhuluma neCoke ukuthi isky sponsor sokuthi at least i-music video ibe cleananyana. You understand? And then all those things when they come together because wonke umuntu usupporta wena it becomes you and you end up in your mind feeling like everything that happened was supposed to happen because it's me. Forgetting ukuthi there's no you without 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never figure out the ecosystem if we still have kids like that. That same mentality is it's still gonna multiply because you find intwana zaseSoweto ezibhaye eziphethe lowo mqondo.